Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a delicious strawberry dessert called Bombom in an open platter. This recipe was requested by Gustavo da Silva, the winner of the M challenge that happened on the homemade yogurt video. If you have not watched that video, go check it out. It's a fantastic recipe. I'll leave the link in the description box for you. Without further ado, let's get into cooking. For the ingredients: condensed milk, cream, chocolate, strawberries, butter, and milk. Bring your pan over medium heat and add your butter. With the butter melted almost all the way, add your condensed milk. Add the milk also and mix. Let this mixture simmer for about 10 minutes, mixing here and there. Take advantage of the simmer time, click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share with anyone you know. Right about now, it's time for you to turn off your heat and just mix this pretty good. And this is pretty much the texture that you're looking for. Transfer your cream to a platter of your liking and let it cool for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now for the ganache. Add your chocolate to a bowl and bring to the microwave for 2 minutes, stopping every 30 seconds. After 2 minutes, that's what the chocolate looks like. You just add your cream now and mix, and that's basically what a ganache is. It's chocolate and cream. Super easy and so good. The question of today is, what is your favorite dessert? Let me know in the comments down below. Now it's time to build our bonbon. So just get your cream that it's nice and cool. I slice the strawberries down the middle and I'm going to go around the platter with the strawberries like so. Now I will build a layer of strawberries on top of the cream. And I will cover the strawberries with the ganache. Now decorate any way you like. You can get very creative here, but I'm going very simple. I just add a couple strawberries and I also made a heart with some chocolate chips, white and dark. Now put your bonbon in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. Two hours passed by and we could not have waited 1 extra minute to try this dessert out. And here it is, everyone, strawberry bonbon on an open platter. This recipe was requested by Gustavo da Silva, the winner of the M challenge. Gustavo, once again, thank you so much for participating and requesting this awesome recipe. And to all of you watching, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not done so yet. I will see you all on the next recipe. Ciao!